Hi everyone, welcome to Dreams DIY. I'm Soumya, and in today's video we are going to make these amazing fall DIYs with printouts. So let's get started from the beginning. These pictures that you see here are printouts and I have designed these myself on my graphic designing app. So you won't find these anywhere else on any other channel. I'm going to provide you the link to these printouts so that you can use them to make your own DIYs. I'm just cutting out the edges of this black printout. It's a beautiful pattern, pumpkins, and it says Hello Autumn. I'm going to be pasting this printout on a Dollar Tree candle. I got this candle really long ago when Dollar Tree goods were just $1. Now it's available for $1.25, so still not bad. I'm just applying Mod Podge on my paper, the printout, and I'll be sticking it to the candle just like this. So literally in $1.25, I have myself a beautiful fall decor candle. With this black printout, I'm going to make coasters. And all I'm using to make all these products is Mod Podge, and my Mod Podge is the one which is dishwasher friendly. So just that one Mod Podge I'm using. There's a tip here. After pasting your printout on the ceramic tile, first let it dry and then coat it with the second layer of Mod Podge, because if you do that, there won't be any air bubbles coming or peeking through underneath, so it will be better that way. I did a mistake here. I pasted the paper and then I coated it immediately with my second layer of Mod Podge. So if you do it, take some time, let it dry and then coat it again. But for the second tile, I did not do that mistake. I pasted the paper and then I let it dry for some time. Till that time, I made my third ceramic tile. Moving on, now I'm making this wooden plank with the printout that you see here. Happy Harvest, fall is here. It's a very beautiful pattern, and I'm applying Mod Podge on the wooden plank and sticking the paper on the plank. I'm pressing it and just creasing it out so that there are no creases and there are no air bubbles. Trimming out the extra paper. Now with this Hello Autumn black paper, I'm again making a very cute little wooden plank. So I did not choose Hello Autumn to be on my plank because the pumpkin pattern is so cute that I could not just cut it off. So I cut off Hello Autumn from the printout. But that's fine because everybody knows it's pumpkin and autumn and fall season. So there it is. Now I'm applying my second coat of Mod Podge on the first wooden plank that I made and sealing it. Sealing the second one in the similar way. You can get these wood planks to work on from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has this unfinished wood section which is apt for buying stuff that you can craft on. So you can get it from there. Now here is a really cute printout and I'm going to cut it in the shape to make a ceramic mug. So I had the ceramic mug with me, this white one, and I'm going to stick this printout on the mug to make it a fall coffee mug. See how simple it was to make it. I'm just sticking the other printout on the other side of it, and I'll be sealing it properly with my dishwasher safe Mod Podge. So before putting the mug in dishwasher, I want to seal it 2-3 times with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and then I will also let it sit on my table for around 10 to 15 days so that it's properly cured, and then only I'll put it in the dishwasher. Here is another wood plank that I made with a printout, but the paper tore a little bit, so I pasted Dollar Tree corner stickers. These are 3D stickers and just hide the torn part. Now here is a cube. It is from Dollar Tree's fall section. It says a few quotes and it's orange, but I kind of didn't like the color and look of it, so I painted it with my white chalk paint. I'm going to make a decor riser to place my pumpkins on. So I'm just coating it with my white chalk paint. Now here is a pumpkin. I got it from a thrift store last year, and I always thought I'm going to paint it white with my chalk paint, but I did not do it. So I thought, why not do it now this year? So I'm giving it a coat of white chalk paint. Now as the white chalk paint had dried a little bit, I'm dabbing it with Waverly black ink paint. This kind of gives it a very rustic and high-end look, I feel. And now that I'm done with making all my fall decor for this year, I'm going to show you how I place them. If you all like the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with more interesting DIYs for you. Till then, happy crafting!